In a busy town in America, there lived a young man named Ethan. Ethan was like many of us. He had big dreams. He wanted success, money, respect, and a better life. But there was a problem. Ethan believed that life changes only with big decisions, big chances, and big opportunities. He kept waiting for that one huge moment that would change his future. Every morning, Ethan woke up late. He scrolled on his phone for hours. He skipped his morning routine, telling himself, "It doesn't matter. One day when I get my big chance, everything will change." He postponed his work. He delayed his plans. He thought, "When the right time comes, then I'll take action." Days passed. Weeks passed. Nothing changed. His dreams stayed only dreams. His life remained the same. And deep inside, Ethan grew frustrated. He asked himself, "Why is nothing working? Why am I still stuck?" One evening, feeling hopeless, Ethan went for a walk. He reached a quiet park where he saw an old man sitting on a bench. The man was feeding birds with a calm smile on his face. Ethan sat down beside him, sighing heavily. The old man looked at him and said, "Young man, why do you look so troubled?" Ethan replied, "I want to change my life, but no matter how much I wish for it, nothing happens. I'm waiting for my big chance, but it never comes." The old man chuckled softly. He picked up a small stone from the ground and dropped it into the pond nearby. Small ripples formed and slowly spread across the whole water. Then the man said, "Do you see this? One small stone changed the entire pond. Life is just like this. It is not the big leaps that shape your future, but the small choices you make every day." Ethan looked at the ripples in silence. The old man continued, "Every morning you wake up, you are given a choice. Stay in bed or rise early. Scroll endlessly or read something useful. Waste your time or use it to build something. Every small choice is a stone you drop into the pond of your life. And those choices decide where your future goes." That night, Ethan could not sleep. The words of the old man kept echoing in his mind. Small choices shape your future. For the first time, he realized that all his delays, all his wasted mornings, all his postponed plans had created the life he was living. The next morning, Ethan made a decision. Not a big one, but a small one. He woke up early. He made his bed. He drank water instead of scrolling on his phone. He opened a book and read for 10 minutes. It felt small, almost too small to matter. But inside, something shifted. He felt in control. Day by day, Ethan continued with small choices. He began exercising for just 10 minutes daily. He started writing down 3 tasks to complete each day. He talked less about his dreams and worked more on them. None of these steps were huge, but each one was a ripple spreading in his life. Weeks later, his friends began noticing. "Ethan, you look different. You seem more focused." His parents noticed too. His father said, "Son, I can see the discipline in your eyes now." Months later, Ethan had built a routine. He was healthier. He was learning new skills. He was more confident. He realized the old man was right. Success is not one big event. It is a series of small, disciplined choices repeated every single day. But Ethan's story did not end there. One day, while working in a coffee shop on his laptop, he met a business owner who noticed his focus and dedication. That man offered Ethan a chance to join his company. Ethan accepted. It was the big opportunity he had been waiting for. But this time, he was ready. And he was only ready because of the small choices he had been making every day. Ethan remembered the stone in the pond. He realized that without those small ripples, the big wave would never have arrived. This story teaches us all something powerful. Success does not come by waiting for the perfect time. Success does not come by wishing for a miracle. Success is built in the small moments, the tiny decisions, and the daily discipline we often ignore. Think about it. Every time you delay your tasks, you throw away a stone that could have shaped your pond. Every time you choose comfort over discipline, you let laziness decide your future. But every time you choose discipline, every time you make a small, positive choice, you drop a stone that creates ripples of growth, confidence, and success. Remember this truth. Motivation alone is useless without discipline. Dreams stay empty without action, and action is nothing more than small, consistent steps. Ethan changed his life, not by chasing one big dream, but by mastering his daily choices. And you can do the same. Wake up early, drink water, read for 10 minutes, exercise a little, write your goals, be kind to someone. These choices may look small, but when repeated daily, they create a future you once only dreamed of. Your life is a pond. Every choice is a stone. What ripples will you create today?